What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to use the Zoho CRM or Customer Relationship Management platform and its different features and benefits. So if you are a business owner and you want to have more control over your leads, your contacts, and have better relationship with your customers, Zoho is one of the best suites out there that can help you achieve just that and even more. It has lots of apps, not just Zoho's CRM, but in this video, that's what we will focus on. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to crm.zoho.com. I did sign up here for the free trial, or sign up for that account here, and I am on the free trial. The sign up process is free and it's pretty easy. You just have to enter your name, your email, password, and your phone number. I've done so, and I've created a new account here with some fake leads here and tasks and like some sample tasks that are generated by default when I created an account. Of course, you can just choose to create a blank account. However, I chose the option to have like sample leads, tasks, and other stuff just to show you. Now here I'm on my main homepage. I have my open tasks here. So in each task, let's view them pretty quickly. In each task, I have the subject itself, the due date, the status of the task, if it's not started, if it's in progress, or if it's done, the priority, normal, high, low, related to here, and the contact name that is related to the task itself. Now, of course, these are some sample accounts here and information. As you can see, the phone number and email are obviously fake. That's because it's a sample, it's not a real person. It's some personas that are generated here with the samples. Now, if I click on any task here, it'll open up the tasks tab here on the top. We were on the home tab. It'll open the tasks tab here. And if I click on the tasks tab here to view all the tasks, and I have a better view of every task here and all the information related to it. Now, if I click here on a task, a certain task, it'll open up the task in the full view. I can close it. I can set the priority. I can edit the priority. I can edit the due date. I can edit, okay, let's set it to, I can edit the due date, the status, the account, my name. Of course, I'm the owner and CEO. I can show or hide the details here that are related. And I can edit the contact or the contact info here. I can send them an email and I have all their information, their address, their phone number, their email, and all their stuff. Now here I can view the timeline and I can view any conversations that I had with this specific contact. Now in another task here, as you can see, we have the same view with another persona or another contact in this case, and it's the same. Now if you go here to leads, I can view here all my leads. Of course, as I told you, there are sample leads, not real leads. Now here I can, let's click on this one, for example. I'll open up the lead information. As you can see here, the profile photo, their name. I can add tags to them. I can have an overview of them with the email, phone number, all the information related to them, the website, the lead name, the email, the annual revenue, everything related to this specific lead. And I can also add notes, cadences. I can add attachments, products, open activities. I can view closed activities. I can view the invited meetings, email, campaigns, social, and so on, much more. Now in the contacts tab here, I have all my contacts. Now I can filter contacts by many filters here, such as touched records, record action, activities, notes, deals, and so much more. And here in each contact, I have their account name or their company, their email, their phone, their contact owner. Of course, that's me. And I can also edit these information. I can manage the columns here to view more information about each contact, such as, for example, their lead source, their first name, last name, vendor name, title. As you can see here, you have many criteria to choose from. So let's say I want to add their title, and you can also rearrange them. Let's say I want to show the title first thing here. Okay, save. And as you can see, if we go back here, their title or their job title is like quality engineer, product engineer, and so much more. So here are the contacts. In the accounts tab here, I can view all the accounts or all the companies I'm working with. And if I click on any of them, I can view here all their information, such as their website, their the account owner, of course it's me, the industry, the employees, annual revenue, phone, deals with them, and all the information related to this specific account. If I click on deals, for example, I can view the deals. If I click on emails, I can scroll down, or it scrolls down the page for me to view their email. And here you have all, so basically you have all your information, or all your titles, all your headlines that are in this overview page. Now in the deals tab, you have obviously all your deals right here, and divided into sections like qualification, needs analysis, value proposition, identify decision makers, all the way to closed and lost to competition. So here are the columns. You can view them in a Kanban view, card view, or in a list view here. So here are the deals in a list view. You can view them in a custom list view, tile view. So let's view the tile view here. Here they are viewed into tiles. I think I like this one better, in my opinion. However, it might be beneficial to, once you want to move deals from one title to another, or for one status to another, to use the Kanban view here in order to better be able to transfer deals from one status to another. As you can see here, I've transmitted here, I've moved it from needs analysis to value proposition. Now we already reviewed the tasks tab. In the meetings tab, obviously I can view all my meetings. As a demo, I have a webinar, trade show, webinar, and I can have the start and end time of each meeting related to contact name and so on. And as you can see in each tab here, let's say the contact, I have the option, of course, to create a new contact or import contacts or import notes. In the accounts, I have the option to create a new account. In the deals, I have the option to create a new deals or import deals. So you can add whatever you want here to create it. Now in the calls, I can view all my scheduled calls right here. And services, I can view all the services that are related to my account. Of course, I can enable these services. They are not enabled by default. I need to enable them, or do not show this message again. In the projects here, I can get started to start connecting and tracking and delivering my projects. So that was it. That was like a quick overview of the CRM, Zoho CRM platform, and how you can use it. And of course, if you want to grow your business, or if you are careful of having a better contact or a better communication with your leads and your contacts, I do recommend you investing in such a platform to grow your business even more.